हम लोगों ने 6 तारीख को एक मीटिंग की थी, जिसमें हम लोगों ने आफ्टर कंफर्मेशन फ्रॉम आवर डीजी सर कि हम लोग एक लियो क्लब फॉर्मेशन करेंगे एंड वी मेट विद द सीए स्टूडेंट्स। एंड सबसे अच्छी चीज सर, मैं आपको एक चीज बताना चाहता हूँ कि इस लियो क्लब के फॉर्मेशन की, कि हमें किसी के भी घर घर जाके रिक्वेस्ट नहीं करना पड़ा कि आप लियो मूवमेंट को ज्वाइन करो या लियो क्लब को ज्वाइन करो। यहाँ के जितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं, जितने भी लियो मेंबर बन रहे हैं, जो भी लियो मेंबर्स है एलिट के,
वॉलंटरी है।
वो वॉलेंटरीली हमारे पास आए कि सर वी वांट टू बी द पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्लब। एंड ये सबसे अच्छी चीज हम लोगों को लगी। एंड सर विद इन अ टाइम स्पेन ऑफ 2 days हमें 21 नाम मिल गए थे कि जो लायन लियो मूवमेंट को ज्वाइन करना चाह रहे हैं। एंड इमीडिएटली हम लोगों ने 13 अक्टूबर को लायंस इंटरनेशनल में रिक्वेस्ट भेजा। and with the regular follow-up of our DG sir as well as Leo district president Rishabh, our club president, 2 दिन के अंदर अंदर हमें चार्टर सर्टिफिकेट, चार्टर कंफर्मेशन मेल मिल गया। और the Lions International has given the identity to this Leo club as club ID as 143294. So sir, within a time span of 7 days we could get the charter sir.
Yes.
We have formed the club.
Yes.
And so एंड सबसे अच्छी चीज जो हम लोग इनिशियल मीटिंग कर रहे थे, वेयर आवर लियो डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट वाज प्रेजेंट एंड ही इन्फॉर्म्ड अस कि दिस इज द 25th लियो क्लब ऑफ लियो डिस्ट्रिक्ट 322G। देन इमीडिएटली वी डिसाइडेड कि जब 25th क्लब है तो व्हाई शुड नॉट डू आवर इंस्टॉलेशन ऑन 25th ओनली।
वेरी नाइस।
So we want to make this a combination unique one, and immediately my idea was accepted by our Lions member also, as well as DG sir ने भी तुरंत जब उनसे बात हुई to be part of this installation as chief guest, उन्होंने तुरंत हाँ कर दिया। हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर शरद जी was kind enough कि उन्होंने तुरंत कहा कि ठीक है धीरज जी, आप टाइम बता देना मेरे को, आई एम डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू ज्वाइन। ऋषभ एज यूजुअल रेगुलरली मेरी बात होती है उससे, he was kind enough. And so this was actually, I have lot more to speak about this Leo thing, but because of ये ऐसे लगता है कि ये मेरे दिल से निकली हुई चीज है। And really this club for my entire lifetime, this club will be my, मतलब मेरे हमेशा दिल में रहेगी। And I'll always be a part of this Leo club, whether मतलब मैं लायंस में हूँ, लायंस में रहूंगा, बट लियो क्लब मेरे लिए हमेशा एक स्पेशल प्लेस, लियो क्लब ऑफ गुवाहाटी एलिट मेरे लिए हमेशा एक स्पेशल प्लेस में रहेगी। एंड फॉर दिस एक्चुअली द आई शुड लाइक टू थैंक कमल मोर, जिसने मुझे ये अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफर करी मीटिंग में। एंड इट वाज बाकी मेंबर्स जो इतने काइंड एनफ थे कि जैसे ही मेरा नाम अनाउंस हुआ, एवरीवन इमीडिएटली बोला कि इस एजेंडा को यहीं खत्म करो, धीरज जैन विल बी द एडवाइजर। सो थैंक यू ऑल द लायंस मेंबर फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी। एंड वंस अगेन आई वेलकम ऑल द डिग्निटरीज, राजकुमार रिंगानिया जी, शरद जी, ऋषभ बजाज, other Leo members and our club members. So to move ahead with, first of all, I like to request our Lions Club President CA Kamal, Lion Kamal Moore, to address the members with his welcome address.
Thank you, Dheeraj Bhaiya. Thank you so much. A very happy Sunday morning to everyone present. So at the outset, my best wishes to everyone for Navratri and Dashera festival. And I really wish to God that the victory of good over evil prevails in our lives also. Today, I take pride in welcoming a galaxy of luminaries to the installation ceremony of Leo Club of Guwahati Elite. We have amidst us our Honorable District Governor, Lion Rajkumar Ingania ji, and for whom Dheeraj ji has already spoken a lot, but I would like to say that he had been the person who had been the soul behind the charter of this club. It was his continuous guidance and blessings that this club could see the light of the day. So we welcome you once again, sir, to this event.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Friends, when we were talking about, when we were discussing that who could be the appropriate person for being the guest of honor for the event, The first thing which struck us was that this is a specialty club of CA students. So the guest could be none other than the chairman of the Guwahati branch of the CA Institute, who also happens to be a veteran lion. I'm sure all of you must be. I would like to inform everybody that Sharadji is the most senior most lion present in the meeting today, I would say.
Yes.
And I welcome chairman of Guwahati branch and my fellow colleague in the managing committee,
Thank
CS
you,
Sharada
Kamal.
Gawaji
Thank you, Kamal.
from Jorhat. Sir, you had been actively associated with students for so many years, and we are sure that your presence today will surely motivate the new team of the Leos. Friends, I'm also happy to share that today's installation officer is none other than your own district president, Leo Rishabh Bajaj. I would like to introduce Rishabh with some abbreviations. He is a dynamic, energetic, and a cheerful leader. And this is very much clear from the way he had been pioneered in getting record number of Leo clubs started this year. I'm sure that your club is blessed to have been chartered under the leadership of Rishabh. Welcome, Rishabh, to today's event. And once again, congratulations, Rishabh, for your another feather in your cap. I also welcome my fellow elite lions to the event. It was due to the constant support of my club members who made this installation possible. But there were two pillars in the club who worked day in, day out for this installation and making sure that everything goes smoothly. Friends, I must put on record my heartfelt appreciation to Lion CA Dheeraj Kumar Jain and CA Priyanka Jain for taking all the pains in getting this club chartered. Dheeraj Bhaiya in his initial speech mentioned that he was appreciating the club and the members. This was because we have seen Dheeraj Bhaiya over a long period of time, and we were aware that he could be one of the person who could actually take things forward and make sure that this club gets started in a very short span of time. My dear Leos, you are the future of Lionism. I welcome you all to the fold of Lionism. You Leos are our extended arms. As we grow old and look back, we see an army of young soldiers ready to serve the society and take forward the cause of Lionism. I congratulate to the new executive team of Leos led by Charter President Leo Tanuj Jalan. I'm sure Tanuj would get good support from his team of Sahil, Megha, Prateek, Muskan, Siddhant, and Sejal, along with the other Leo members of the elite club. My best wishes to the new club and all the members. Before I conclude, I would just like to quote some few lines which were written by our past international president of Lions Club, Barney J. Palmer. He once wrote, "Dream big to make a big impact. You have two choices. You can shrink your dream to fit reality, or you can stretch reality to fit your dream. Making dreams reality is not magic. You have to work at it. We are who we want to be. Let's not be night dreamers who wake up in the morning and can't remember their dreams." With this, thank you once again and all the best wishes to the new Leo Club. Thank you so much.
Thank you, President. And now uh, moving ahead with the agenda. Let me get the opportunity to introduce our installation cum induction officer for today's program, Leo Rishabh Bajaj. So, Leo Rishabh Bajaj is an reliable, hardworking, self-motivated person. He was born to Lion Rajesh Bajaj and Lion Ritika Bajaj on 18th May 1994. He is blessed with a younger sister, Rotrector Riddhi Bajaj. He completed his schooling from Sarla Birla School, Sarla Birla Gyan Jyoti, Guwahati, and later got his degree in BTech Civil Engineering with Chairperson's Gold Medal from Manipal University, Jaipur. After graduation, he joined family business along with his father and uncle Lion Bajaj. From the profile, actually, before going further with his profile, I can see that he is a member belonging to a family who are lions, basically. So we can understand that how much Leoism or Lionism is in his blood and what he can do for the Lion and Leo movement. Leo Rishabh has joined Leo movement in the Lionism year 2016-17 as a member of Leo Club of Guwahati. And since then, his determination to grow and desire to serve has become stronger with every passing day. He was installed as the secretary of Leo Club of Guwahati in Lionism year 1718 and then elected as vice president in the year 2018-19. He has served the newly formed Leo District 322G in the capacity of first district secretary in the Lionism year 1819 also. For Leo Rishabh, Leo not only made him passionate about leadership, experience and opportunity, but also gave him the golden chance to make a difference in the society. And in the effort to change life, he was elected as the president of Leo Club in the Lionism year 1920 and served as Leo district as the capacity of district training and analyst simultaneously. Coming far ahead, in Lionism year 2021, by 100% votes for district, he was elected as the district president of Leo District 322G. And he has earned various recognitions which he achieved towards the cause of Leonism. Few of them as International President Appreciation Certificate for 2 consecutive years, 1819, 1920, Leo Club President Achievement Award by Lions Club International in 1920, Excellence in Leadership Award by Lions Club of Guwahati in 1920, International Leo of the Year by Lions Club International in 1819, District Governors Medal for 2 consecutive years, 1718 and 1819, Leo of the Year of the District in 1819, Leo of the Year of Leo Club of Guwahati for 2 consecutive years, 1819, 1920, October Membership Growth Award by Lions Club International for 2 consecutive years, 1819, 1920, Best Leo Secretary by Lions District, by Lions Club of Guwahati, by Lions Leo District, by TCLC of 322D in 1718. District President's Medal in 2017-18, Leo of the Conference at 38th Annual Leo District Conference 322D in Lionism year 2017-18. His presence in all the Lions and Leo District Conference conducted during his lifetime, Leo life has been insightful. He is a wonderful leader and I have lot more to say about him, but from the basic things which I have spoke about Leo Rishabh Bajaj, and during our telephonic discussions and through WhatsApp discussion for the formation of this club, I could understand how much Rishabh is dedicated for the cause of Leo and for the betterment of the society. So with these words, I welcome Leo Rishabh Bajaj, our district president 322G, and request him to further go ahead with the proceedings.
Thank you so much, Dheeraj Bhaiya, for a wonderful introduction. Respected Presiding Officer, Sir Lion Kamal Moore, our Chief Guest, beloved District Governor, Sir Lion Rajkumar Ringania, Sir, our Guest of Honor, Chairman of ICAI Branch, Guwahati Branch, Sir Lion Sharad Agarwal Uncle, other esteemed Lion dignitaries, my Leo Council colleague, and all my Leo friends. Good morning to one and all present here. I'm deeply honored and humbled on being invited to induct new membership to our newly chartered Leo Club of Guwahati line and thereby install the upcoming leaderships for the Leo District year 2021. First of all, I would like to thank Lions Club of Guwahati Light for giving us such a great club, and special mention for Sir Lion Kamal Moore and Sir Lion Dheeraj Jain for working so hard and making this dream come true. 25th Leo Club with 25 charter members on 25th October. And if I'm not wrong, we have 25 participants as of now. So I think 25 is a magical figure for this club. It really fills me with immense pride to see the new faces willing to join this great movement. I would want you all to know that we Leos work non-stop in our effort to make a difference in self and society. And no pandemic can stop us from fulfilling our duties. Our objective this year is about transforming ideas into action and reforming our paths to achieving those actions. And only our consistent effort and conscious choices will make a world of difference. Without further ado, I'd like to request all the charter members to be inducted. So please turn on the video so that I can see you all virtually. Yes. The smiling faces. Before inducting you all to the Leo Lion family, would like to give you all a little gist about our Leo movement. As the youngest members of Lions Clubs International, Leos form energetic, bold, and dynamic belt of our organization. Our Leo Club program began in 1967 as an official activity of Lions Clubs International. This platform of Leo is for leadership, experience, and opportunity. But here at Leoism, we walk down the path of OEL, which is we get opportunity to experience leadership. As global as its reach might be, Leoism is very personal. It provides us with opportunities to build up experiences which would ultimately make a well-rounded leader. And this process imbibes excellence and exposes us to opportunities from around the world that allows us to turn every hurdle into the milestone of success. And now it's your chance to do your bit for your own community and for your own acquaintances. There is no denying that the entire series of challenges that await, but I want you all to remember, you all are not alone in your efforts. At all times, you all can count on the encouragement and support from your fellow club members, your club officers, your Leo Club advisors, and also the district officers. Once again, I express my congratulations to you all for joining this great movement in form of this great club. Since it is a virtual meeting, repeating the oath is not feasible. So I would just run through all your duties as a Leo and you give your acceptance by raising your hand or just showing a thumbs up so that I can say that you all are ready to take this charge as a Leo. Firstly, you all will abide by all the constitution and bylaws of the club. Second, you all will attend meetings regularly. Third, you all will support and further the interest of the club in all its undertakings. Number 4, you all will contribute your fair share towards the financial support of the club. Number 5, you all will assist in maintaining, building, and strengthening the membership of the club. And finally, will develop in yourself the qualities of cheerfulness, service, and loyalty which characterizes a Leo Club member. Will you all abide by the duties? Really a fast response from all the members. Really happy to see. Now I request our Leo Club advisor, sir, to hand over them with the Leo lapel pin anytime after the meeting so that they can proudly boast about joining this great movement. I, Leo Rishabh Bajaj, District President of Leo District 322G, declare you all as a charter member of Leo Club of Guwahati Elite. Congratulations to you all and welcome aboard. Now, without further delay, let's move ahead to the main ceremony for which we have gathered today, our installation ceremony. Installation Day is the most important day for every club. It showcases two very significant moments of a Leo journey. First, learning when to pass on the torch. And second, embracing the passed on torch with all pride and confidence. Without further ado, let's begin the installation. Before moving ahead, I would just ask our presiding officer that the list of BOD provided to me was duly passed by the House.
Yes, it was duly passed by the House, Rishabh.
Thank you. It is my privilege to be here to install the officers of Leo Club of Guwahati Elite. Having received the trust of club membership, I am sure that they will carry out their duties faithfully and with respect to the community and their fellow members. To that purpose, let's begin. I hope this screen is visible to everyone.
Yes.
The chessboard is the world. The pieces are the phenomena of the universe. The rules of the game are what we call as the law of nature. And the player on the other side is hidden from all of us. We just need to do is to realize our potential and give the best for our ability. I believe that all of you have played the game of chess. And now let's try to install the new board using the knowledge we have about the game. I couldn't find a better way to install the Leo Club Guwahati Elite, where we have such a elite members in this club. Then this is the game which is elite to all of us, and this is the best thing which explains every duty of a Leo Club officer. Now let's start with the hero of the show, President Leo Tanuj Jalan. Can you just turn on your video, Tanuj, so that I can see you? Actually, we haven't met personally, but this pandemic has given us this great opportunity so that we can meet at least virtually sitting at our homes. So can you just turn on your video so that I can see you?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Might be I'm sharing a screen so you are not visible to me. So Tanuj, all the members of your club have gathered enough courage and have elected you as a charter member of this great club, Leo Club of Guwahati Elite. And you represent the king on the chessboard. You are the one who will not be doing all the working. As you can see that the king only moves one step at a time, and you will be moving only one step at a time, and you just guide all the other members so that all the other members do their work properly in this club. जैसे कि अपने राजा हर जगह अपने चेस बोर्ड पे भी एक ही स्टेप लेता है, ज्यादा काम वो नहीं करता, आपको काम डेडिकेट करना है, शोइंग योर लीडरशिप, आपको इस तरह से गाइड करना है सारे मेंबर्स को कि जो सब मेंबर्स के ड्यूटीज है, जो उनके आइडियाज है वो अच्छे से एड्रेस हो, उनको उनके आइडियाज का अच्छे से इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हो, और वही आपको करना है. बी लीडर, नॉट अ बॉस. So would not like to speak more about the role you have been assigned, but would love to hear from you in this regard, Tanuj. Can you just say what do you aspire and why do you took this charge to become the president of this great club?
When I got to know that such a club is going to be formed, I really wanted to be a member of this club. And thanks to Kamal sir and Dheeraj sir and other members for choosing me as the president. I would love to work towards the community with the help of Leo, because in our life we were busy in our studies, but Leo would provide me chance to work for the society, and thank you for providing me the chance.
Thank you so much, Tanuj, and I officially declare you as the president of this great club, Leo Club of Guwahati Elite. And you also have a tag of a charter president of this great club. And that also comes with a great responsibility. Being the charter president, you also have to see that your club survives. And the sustainability of the clubs is also your one of the responsibility. So you just have to have a check on that you have upcoming leaders and you create and generate more leaders on your club. So I can see your face, बहुत शांत and innocent, and really by merely looking at your face, I can see that you are a hardworking person. And I am really sure that you would do 100% justice to this post, and would love to work with you in this Leoistic year. So Tanuj, congratulations to you. You have been installed as the president of this great club, Leo Club of Guwahati Elite. Next, we have the Vice President 1, Leo Pratik Das, and Vice President 2, Leo Muskan Gupta. Can you both just turn on your video so that I can see you, Muskan and Pratik? Are you here, Pratik and Muskan?
Yes, we are here.
I think I have switched on a screen sharing, so I am not able to see you all. But since I can hear you, you have been appointed to serve as a Vice President 1 and Vice President 2 of this newly chartered club, Leo Club of Guwahati Elite. And in this club, you have been assigned as a rook on the chessboard. जैसे कि हमारे रूक हमारे चेस बोर्ड में काम करते हैं, वो हो सकता है वो बिशप की तरह मूव करता हो फ्रॉम लैटरली और डायगोनली, बट दे डोंट गो they are much more flexible and useful. And the best ones have get the chance to castle with the king and save the day. And वही आपको करना है. आपके king जो आपके president है, उनको हर moment पे हर तरह से support करना है. You have to act as a pillar, as a rook to the chessboard. And जब भी आपको king की, आपको president को कभी भी कोई जरूरत हो कि कभी वो मुसीबत में आए, तो you have to just help him in every way possible. And in the absence of the president, you can be the acting president, and vice president 1 will get the first chance and vice president 2 will get the second chance to be the president of the club. And in absence of president, you will do all the duties as a president will be doing in your club. So are you ready to take this charge, Pratik and Muskan?
Yes, sir,
I would-
definitely.
Yes, definitely.
So you have been also a great responsibility assigned to you, and vice president means that you would be the leader in making and would definitely want to see you as a leading the club in the upcoming Leoistic years 21-22. So with this, I would just install you as a vice president 1 and vice president 2 of this great club, Leo Club of Guwahati Elite. Congratulations, Pratik, and congratulations, Muskan.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
This is a learning phase. Learn from your president and also see that all the club members along with you are happy with you so that they can elect you and support you for your candidature in the upcoming Leoistic year. Now, next we have Leo Sahil Jain. Can you just turn on your video so that I can see you, Sahil?
Yes, it's on.
Informed in the informal meeting which was scheduled earlier, that Sahil, you also were the Leo in the Calcutta Leo Club of Park Avenue, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, I was.
So you know basically what the Leo movement is all about, and you know what are the duties of a secretary. So before
Yes.
giving you the gist and explaining you the duties which you have to fulfill in this Leoistic year, would love to hear from you as what you already know about your coveted post as a secretary.
A secretary is the one who will run the club. Like all the duties of the secretary are like conducting the meeting and posting the things like what activities are taking place in the club, informing the Lions about them, informing the international about that. These are the duties of a secretary, and helping the president in any way possible.
Yes, bilkul. Yahi hai, Sahil. And you have been given as a piece of a queen on the chessboard, you can see. And queen, as we all know, is the most powerful piece on the board. And similarly as a secretary, because secretary is considered as a backbone of every club or every district in our Leo land fraternity. Queen is responsible to remove all the obstacles with a single move or a phone call. And similarly, your duties are as the same. जैसे कि क्वीन हमारे चेस बोर्ड में काम करती है, उस तरह से आपको आपके क्लब में काम करना है. यू आर द मेन वर्किंग फोर्स ऑफ योर क्लब. आपको सारे मेंबर्स के साथ कोऑर्डिनेट करना है. यू हैव टू जस्ट कोऑर्डिनेट विद एवरी मेंबर ऑफ योर क्लब एंड also the executive team of your club. And with the direction of the president, you are authorized to call the meeting. Even president doesn't have a right to call the meeting. Secretary is the only one who could call a meeting in our Leo land fraternity. So you have to maintain all the minutes of the meeting. जो भी meetings में discussion होता है उसको हमें note down करके रखना है, since we belong to an organization. और जितने भी records आपको club में है सब आपको maintain करना है. And also to maintain the attendance of all the members who are attending the meeting. So आपका main काम ये है कि जैसे आपने बोलते हैं ना, नाम चाहे किसी का भी हो, काम secretary को ही करना पड़ता है. So are you ready to take this charge, Sahil? And
Yes, I am ready to take it.
And one more thing, on a technical front, just ask a club president or secretary of Leo Club of Park Avenue to transfer you to this Leo Club of Guwahati Elite, since it has already been chartered, so that you don't have any confusion on the technical front.
Yeah, I will.
Okay. So I officially declare you as a secretary of Leo Club of Guwahati Elite for the Leoistic year 2021. Congratulations, Sahil.
Thank you.
Now, next up, we have Leo Megha Jalan. Can you just turn on your video, Megha?
Hello, sir.
Hello. If I'm not wrong, I have also informed that you were also a part of Leo Club of Park Avenue.
No, sir, I wasn't. another Leo is a part.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
you have been appointed as a treasurer of your club for the Leoistic year 2021. And since you all belong to a CA fraternity, so you know more about what a treasurer would be doing than me at least, because I am an engineer by profession and I don't know much about the accountings. So जिस तरह से आप अपने CA fraternity में accounts maintain करते हो, उस तरह से ही आपको आपके clubs के सारे accounts maintain करना है. And there is only one difference in here in our Leo Land fraternity is that we maintain two different accounts. One is administrative account and one is activity account. Administrative account is the account wherein all the fees collected from the members, जो भी पैसा हम अपने क्लब मेंबर से लेते हैं वो हम लोग उसमें स्टोर करते हैं. एंड जो पैसा हम अपने क्लब मेंबर्स पे ही खर्चा करते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल आवर क्लब मीटिंग्स, आवर गेट टुगेदर्स, वो हम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव अकाउंट से लेते हैं. एंड ऑल द अदर फंड्स व्हिच वी रेज फ्रॉम अदर फंड रेजिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स और बी इट अ डोनेशन और अ स्पॉन्सरशिप goes into activity account. मतलब समाज का जो पैसा है जो हम बाहर औरों से लेते हैं वो हम एक्टिविटी अकाउंट में रखते हैं. और सर्विस प्रोजेक्ट्स जो भी हम करेंगे या कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट जो हम सोसाइटी के लिए करते हैं वो हम एक्टिविटी अकाउंट से खर्चा करते हैं. मतलब समाज का पैसा समाज पे खर्चा करना है, अपना पैसा अपने पे खर्चा करना है. We can transfer money from administrative account to activity account, but we cannot transfer money from activity account to administrative account. हम अपना पैसा समाज पे खर्चा कर सकते हैं लेकिन समाज का पैसा अपने पे खर्चा नहीं कर सकते. दिस इज द मेन एंड द ओनली थिंग you should keep in mind and keep in mind in this Leoistic year, because this is a very important, because we are joining an organization or we are answerable for everything here.
Yes,
And
sir.
rest you have to maintain all the accountings which you know very well, and hope to see you keep smiling in this Leoistic year. So are you ready to take this charge, Megha?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
So I officially appoint you as a treasurer of Leo Club Guwahati Elite for the Leoistic year 2021. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next up, we have Leo Siddhant as a joint secretary, and Leo Sejal as a joint treasurer. Are you both here?
Yes.
Yeah.
You have been given as a peace knight on the chessboard, Leo Siddhant and Leo Sejal. Because many players, while playing chess, fails to understand what the knight does and all of what he is capable of. Knight can think out of the box and come at the problems from around the corner or across the board. It can be very hard to follow their logic sometimes. And you all must have agreed on this, that the way knight moves on the chessboard is very difficult to explain sometimes. So since you have been assigned as a joint secretary and the joint treasurer of your club, आप लोगों का काम ये होगा to assist. Joint secretary will be assisting the secretary in every duties secretary is assigned, and the joint treasurer will assist the treasurer of your club. Secretary का काम सिर्फ जो काम होता है वो आपको सीखना है, because you are the secretary in making, because you have been appointed as a joint secretary this year, so would see as you in the secretary in the upcoming year, Siddhant. And
Yes, sir.
similarly for Leo Sejal, आप लोगों को आपके ट्रेजरर एंड सेक्रेटरी को इस तरह से हेल्प करना है कि कहाँ पर वो मिस्टेक कर रहे हैं, उनको एनी वे सपोर्ट करना है और उनसे सीखना है what they are doing as a secretary and the treasurer of the clubs, so that you both can become secretary and the treasurer in the upcoming years. So you really have a challenging job, Sejal and सिद्धांत, बिकॉज आप फोर फ्रंट पे नहीं रहोगे, आप पीछे रहोगे, लेकिन जब कोई प्रॉब्लम आएगा और जब कभी बात सुनने का होगा तो आपको वो सबसे पहले बाहर बुलाया जाएगा, क्योंकि यू आर द वन हू विल बी असिस्टिंग द सेक्रेटरी एंड द ट्रेजरर. सो यू हैव टू कैरी आउट योर ड्यूटीज वेरी फेथफुली एंड वेरी डिलिजेंटली सो दैट कोई क्वेश्चन ना कर सके. So Siddharth I can see in front of me, but I am not able to see Sejal here because screen share हुआ है. So you are here, I can hear you, but I cannot see you. So Siddharth is looking pretty confident. And what about you, Sejal?
Yeah, I'm also confident now.
So are you both ready to take this charge as a joint secretary and the joint treasurer of Leo Club Guwahati Elite?
Yes, sir.
बस इसी जोश के साथ अपने को पूरे साल भी काम करना है. And I'm really happy to see a great team of Leo Club Guwahati Elite this year. And thanks to Kamal Bhaiya and Dheeraj Bhaiya for getting us such a great team to work with in this UST Killer. And ऐसा नहीं कि आप लोग proud हो मेरे साथ काम करने के लिए. I am really proud to have been get a chance to work with all the aspiring CA students here, and would definitely work hand in hand in this UST Care at least. Now, last but not the least, the members of the club. बाकी सब members हमारे club में जो हैं, they are the pawns. You have ultimate potential, and आप जिस तरह से pawn हमारे chess board में move करता है single step, लेकिन कभी-कभी pawn को नजरअंदाज किया जा सकता है जो सामने वाला player है, और that is the one जो mistake हो जाता है सामने से. Pawn is the main thing जो game changer बोलते हैं ना, वैसे ही members, all the members of your club are the game changers. And when they cross the board, they can just raise to the chain of the command. और उस तरह से आप लोग जिस तरह से काम करोगे in this year, उस तरह से ही आपको आने वाले टाइम में आपके executive team में आने का मौका मिलेगा. So all the members, I can see you all, and it's not possible to interact with each and everyone on this virtual platform. So all the members just work hard and learn from this Leo movement, and this has a lot more to offer than what we can give to this organization, and I am the example to this, and really happy to see such a great team of Leo Club Guwahati Elite, and smiling faces. Would love to work with you, and जितने जल्दी हो सके अपने physically मिलते हैं so that we can interact and understand each other more. And last, our main player of the game, Lion Dheeraj Jain sir, Leo advisor. Since I am a Leo, and all the Lion Leo advisors get appointed and installed with the parent club, the Lions Club of Guwahati Elite, उसी तरह से मैं आपको इंस्टॉल नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन एक लियो एडवाइजर से क्या चाहता है वो आपको मैं बता सकता हूँ. एंड द वे यू आर वर्किंग भैया, जिस तरह से आप कोऑर्डिनेट कर रहे हो, जिस तरह से आपने आज स्टार्टिंग में भी बोला, यू विल बी विद दिस क्लब लियो क्लब गुवाहाटी इलाइट इन एवरी वे पॉसिबल, चाहे आप लायन हो नहीं हो. सो इस तरह से ही आपको करना है पूरे साल. एंड द वे यू आर वर्किंग, मुझे लगता नहीं कि आपको मुझे बताने की कोई जरूरत है. दिस द जो आप कर रहे हो वो उतना भी नहीं करता कोई एडवाइजर, एंड जिस तरह से आप कर रहे हो उस तरह से आप करते रहोगे तो दिस क्लब विल शाइन इन दिस लियोस्टी केयर एंड वुड आल्सो शाइन इन द अपकमिंग इयर्स टू. सो भैया, जस्ट अ रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम यू, जस्ट कीप डूइंग द व्हाट वी आर डूइंग विद अस, एंड आपको कोई भी अगर कुछ पूछना हो, कुछ गाइडेंस हो, आई एम जस्ट अ कॉल अवे.
I can understand, Rishabh. You are always there. That's why I could make this thing possible actually.
And one more thing, I am really happy कि we have got such a great advisor in this great club. मुझे उतना एफर्ट्स नहीं देना होगा being a new club, क्योंकि धीरज भैया हैं, मुझे पता है वो संभाल लेंगे. And I'm really happy कि we got a gem of Lions Club of Guwahati Elite to our Leo Club of Guwahati Elite. Thank you भैया for joining us, and you are the player. आप जिस तरह से आपको डिसाइड करना है कौन से player of the day.
Thank you, Rishabh, and you are the chessboard. You should understand that thing.
Last but not the least, in the end, it's not the years in your life that will count, it's the life in your years. This is my favorite quote of Abraham Lincoln, and this is what you all should believe, क्योंकि लास्ट में वही मायने रखता है कि आपके लाइफ में आपने कितने साल दिए. So with this, I congratulate Leo, Tanuj and team. You all are the pillars on which our success relies. I do not doubt that you all have potential, energy and capacity to succeed ahead. This is your time to shine and make the most out of it. With this, I, Leo Rishabh Bajaj, District President of Leo District 322G, declare the team of Leo Club Guwahati Elite installed for the Leoistic Year 2021. Thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you all. Long live Leoism. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Rishabh, for the wonderful installation you have done, and definitely for the successful running of this Leo Club, we will be needing your advice always, and I'm pretty sure and I'm confident that you are always with us, like what you have supported us previously for the formation of the club. You will always be there. And now, along with me, the other Leo members will be in touch with you whatever help they will be needing, I'm very much sure that you will be providing. And the way you conducted the installation was a wonderful thing, with the giving the example of chessboard and different things, and you have made understand all the members that what they have to perform and how they have to perform. And I'm pretty sure that the team will do wonders, and I'm confident that the members हमेशा क्या करेंगे कि इस क्लब का नाम हमेशा ऊंचा ही रखेंगे. I'm very much sure for that. So thank you, Rishabh, once again. So coming ahead, now we are privileged to have with us our guest of honor, a great friend of us, CA Lion Sarad Agarwala ji. First of all, I like to convey my heartfelt thanks to Sarad ji for accepting our invitation to be a part of this installation ceremony, and accepted our invitation to be a guest of honor for this ceremony. The two unique combination which he has, number one, this being the specialty club, and Sarad ji being the chairman of the Guwahati branch. So the obviously first choice is always Sarad ji to be a part of this installation. Apart from that, the unique combination other which we had today is that he is a Lion member also. So he fitted both ways to this installation ceremony. Welcome, Sarad ji. So before we move ahead and request Sarad ji, I like to briefly speak something about Sarad ji. I know that all the students know Sarad ji. Being the chairman, he is known to all the students. But apart from being a chartered accountant or being a chairman, he has lot more in his life, which we members should understand. So, C.A. Sarad Agarwala, born in 1966 at Jorhat, and he did his schooling and graduation from Jorhat only. He passed CA course in 1993 and practicing successfully at Jorhat. And he joined the Lions Club of Jorhat in 1993. The Jorhat Club being treated as one of the oldest club of Lions. And he has served almost all the posts of the club. He took active role in the undivided district 322D as zone chairman, region chairman, cabinet treasurer, and also acted as faculty for district orientation program. He is presently a trustee of Jorhat Lions Service Trust, which is successfully running Jorhat Lions Eye Hospital, a signature project of the club. As we all know that CA Sarad Agarwala is a managing committee of Guwahati branch of ICI, and he is presently the chairman of this Guwahati branch, where I'm fortunate that I'm also a part of this managing committee. He is actively associated with social organizations and served in different capacities. He served as secretary of Rashtra Bhasha Vidyalaya Jorhat for almost 11 years. He is actively associated and pioneer for eye donation in Assam and promotes eye donations as well as blood donation. An active sports person and maintains cordial social relations. He is happily married to Sapna Bhabhi and blessed with a son Abhinav and a daughter Devanshi. So with this, I welcome our guest of honor, Sia Sarad Agarwala ji, to this program, and request you to please motivate the newly joined member with your words. Sarad ji, please.
Thank you, Dheeraj, for nicely introducing me. First of all, I would like to wish all you happy Navaratri and Dasara, and let the Mother Goddess Durga bless with all her blessings on the new club as well, and all the members present here. Chief guest of the evening, morning, Lion Ringania ji, District President Rishabh Bajaj, who has so wonderfully installed the Lions Leo Club of Guwahati Elite. It's really a pleasure that you have installed the club in a very different way. I really appreciate the way you have done it. It's really wonderful to be witnessing this installation ceremony. I really find it very pleasant today morning because I am just not attending a Lions Club meeting, but I am attending a extended branch meeting as if. Because you see, most of the members in the Lions Club of Guwahati is a specialty club of chartered accountants. It's really, indeed, a wonderful gesture on the part of the members of Guwahati elite that apart from being a member of a chartered accountants branch or a Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, which is again an elite body, and their club is also named as Lions Club of Guwahati Elite. So this is a synchronization of their profession as well as the social activities. I really appreciate and congratulate the Lions Club of Guwahati Elite for doing the wonderful job. They're just 1 year old and under the leadership of Kamal and all the chartered accountants. I find most of them known to me well. Lionism, in fact, we have got the first thing is the fellowship. We develop a fellowship, and through fellowship, we serve the society. Really, the Lions Club Elite will be doing much more social services by their good fellowship. And since everybody is aligned with their profession, same profession, they are all chartered accountants. And being chartered accountants, they are the best leaders. I personally, what I feel that the chartered accountants can organize an event, any event, I may say, any event so beautifully and so meticulously they can plan that nobody else can do it. So the leadership capabilities of a chartered accountant is undoubtedly the best. And this I have witnessed in the branch itself. I've seen the members, I've seen the working of leaders, I've seen the working of Kamal, as well as most of the members present here. They always give best support to the club, to the branch, and they will continue to do this in the club also. Then the next thing what is coming up is that the Leo advisor and our immediate past chairman Dheeraj Jain, he has served in the capacity of ICASA. Are you aware that what is ICASA? Maybe Rishabh will not be knowing it. The ICASA is a student body of our institute, which is looking after the affairs of the students, particularly their all-round development. And ICASA, Dheeraj is associated, had been associated with ICASA for 2-3 terms, and he has successfully managed the affairs of ICASA Guwahati so wonderfully and has worked so hard for it that lot number of times we have received good awards for the best branch of ICASA in India as well. So congratulations, Dheeraj, for being the Leo advisor of this new club. And being an advisor, you are going to be the liaison officer between the Leo club, and you have to take care of both the things. You have to take care of your club as well as the Leo club of Guwahati. So things are very important as regards you, because you are the person who is going to be the linking chain between the two, and you have to maintain a balance, and you have to avoid all the contradictions what may arise in future. Because I had also been in the post of Leo advisor long back, and I find that there is a lot number of times there is a communication gap. So under your leadership, I'm pretty sure that this sort of gaps will not arise at all. Then the thing what I'm expected to speak on this today's morning, that this is a wonderful team of CS students which has been installed today, so beautifully installed, and they are all vibrant leaders, and they are going to take the charge of this new Leo club of Guwahati Elite. So things are very good for you. You are all from the same fraternity, and you also go under the same course. So your thinking or your thinking process is also going to be the same as if. But as Rishabh has rightly said, that the slogan what he has given in the starting, that you have to transform your ideas into reality. So this is a really good thing what you have said, because in this 2020, we are now looking for the best of the efforts. We have got beyond imaginations, innovative ideas in our brain, but what lacks is the implementation of those ideas. So this is a time when we have got the social media platforms, we have got lot number of apps, we have got lot number of thought processes. With these, we can transform our ideas into realities. We can do wonders with these creative and innovative ideas. So what is required is that what innovative ideas we gather, that crops up in our mind, to put them in reality. That will be a wonderful job. And what is more important, conventional things are done by everyone. But if we go beyond conventions, if we do something more creative, if we do something more informative, more experiencing more knowledge, more expanding our horizons towards all the dimensions, that will be a more creativity, and we will justify our knowledge by doing this sort of activities in our club. Basically, what is more required is a continuity of Leo Club. I've been associated with Lions Club since last, say, almost 27 years. And I've seen we are sponsoring a Lions Club throughout last 27 years. We are sponsoring a Lions Club. Even before I joined, there was a Leo Club also. So these years we have seen that the Leo Club is there in our roster as a sponsor, as a parent club. We are always paying the Leo subscriptions, Leo sponsorship fees to the international. But what is happening that we didn't have the continuity of Leos, because what is the Leos come when they are students. Okay, when they are in our Leo club, what happens? Say a batch. Normally the students come in batches. So a batch is coming up to our Leo fold, and then what happens? That batch passes out and have their professional commitments, or they are as employed somewhere. So they normally leave the place or leave the club. And then what the biggest problem arises, if you don't keep on adding members on every year on different batches, the continuity of the club affects. So what is my sincere advice, that you maintain continuity of the club, to keep on adding members to its fold every year, every time, whenever you get an opportunity of adding new members, please keep on doing it. Otherwise, the continuity of the club will affect, and that is very dangerous. This is my advice, sincere advice as such. And then I'd like to talk about our Lions Club of Jorhat. You all might be knowing, this is one of the best and oldest clubs of undivided district 322D. And I'm really proud to say that we have got one of the best eye hospitals in entire multiple, not in district, it's in entire multiple. We have received n number of awards by the district multiple and the Lions International for our Lions Eye Hospital. This is a temple of our service, and what is more important is that what we are doing, most of our services, most of our hospital activities, almost 80% at free, without any charges. How we can do it, how we are doing it, this is again a learning process. If anybody wants to know about it, they can ping me up, or they can visit Jorhat whenever there is a occasion to come. It's a state-of-the-art hospital with all the latest equipments what we can have in eye surgery. We have got four full-time eye surgeons. We are working for us, and really you will appreciate that we are doing almost more than 500 operations, cataract operations per month. Recently, you might have seen in the newspapers yesterday only that 2 1-year-old twins has been operated for cataract. This is really a wonderful job our hospital is doing, and I am proudly associated with this as a trustee, and we are doing wonders in the eye care. And I have attended 2 or 3 site first conclaves also, where I could understand how best the Lions are doing in the field of eye care. Those who are new to Lionism, let me explain. There are almost 95 eye hospitals operating in multiple, in our district in our multiple 322. So the numbers, you can just imagine how many operations we are doing in the entire multiple. So really, the Lions are working very hard, particularly in the field of eye care. But apart from eye care, we are also doing good number of services which are giving benefit to the underprivileged. So friends, Lionism is not a small movement. It's a worldwide movement where we are proud to be associated with it. And you also should feel proud that you are now associated with the Leo Club of Guwahati Elite. Thank you very much for inviting me. And it's really a pleasure that I am witnessing today's historical, rather I should say it's a historical moment that for Lions Club of Guwahati Elite and Leo Club of Guwahati Elite. I wish the new team all success. With these words, I request you all to keep yourself safe, be happy, and happy Durga Puja to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Saratji, and for the wonderful deliberation by you. And I'm definitely that the members, the Leo members, as well as we will follow your advice. We will go through the advice which has been said by you, being the one of the oldest Lions member also. So, and we can assure you that you will see the flag of Leo Club of Guwahati Elite as well as Lions Club of Guwahati Elite will fly high. So thank you once again being part of this program. Now the time comes to meet our district governor, sir. But before going to our district governor, sir, actually I forgot one agenda, important agenda in the installation ceremony, for which I am apologizing. Actually, before we hear Ringania ji, I request our newly inducted Leo Club President Tanuj Jalan to give his acceptance speech. Tanuj.
Hello everyone. When I was given the post of the president, the thing I have to give a speech, I was little tensed. But thanks to ICI, I have just completed my GMCS program and learned something about public speaking and how to give speech. Hope I do justice to it. Uh, it is said that showing gratitude is one of the most powerful things that we humans can do. And I believe that. And this is the way I'm going to start my speech. Uh, respected chief guest, uh, Sir Lion Rajkumar Ringania sir, guest of our own branch chairman, C.A. Sarad Agarwal sir, uh, Leo District President Rishabh Bajaj, and other dignitaries present here. I would first like to thank Lion Kamal sir, Dheeraj sir, and Priyanka ma'am for introducing me to this movement. I would like to thank Lions Club Guwahati Elite for taking initiative and organizing such a great club towards the CA student in form of Leo Club of Guwahati Elite. Thank you, Lions Club Guwahati Elite. Uh, I still remember the day when I got the message from Kamal sir, Tanuj, you should also be a part of this club. I was really happy and wanted to be a part of this club. But the thing confused me that I already had some responsibility with others club. Would I do justice to this club by being a part of it? Sorry, sir. That's why I replied you late that day. Then came for my rescue Dheeraj sir. I had called him and asked about my membership in the club, and he had always motivated from the day when I was the part of ICASA. He told me, Tanuj, you can do it. I know you can do it. And now here I am as the president of the new club. Thank you, sir. It was your motivation that made me here today. Friends, and now my extended elite family, we have been given a great job to keep high the flag of both Lions Club and our institute ICI. It would only be possible with your cooperation. Lastly, I would like to end with a line said by our dear Kamal sir when I was in our ICASA. Posts are just for formalities. We all are here to work together to reach our goal. Thank you, everyone.
So thank you, Tanuj. So now it's time to welcome our chief guest once again, our very own Lion Rajkumar Ringania ji. Sir, welcome to this installation ceremony, sir. I have not yet got the opportunity to personally meet you, sir, till now.
Definitely we'll meet soon. Yeah.
We will meet, sir, and I can understand that I have lot to learn from you. and definitely we will meet and we will get to learn lot more from you, sir. So welcome you, sir. So first, it's my opportunity and it's my great pleasure that I'm reading your profile before the Leo members. So members, Lion Rajkumar Ingania, our district governor, sir, was born in the year 1967, and he's the only son of late Hiralalji and late Rampati Devi Ringania ji. He holds a graduation in commerce and presently running family business. Lion Rajkumar Ringania is a married to Lion Anita Ringania, and the duo is blessed with a son Ronak and two daughters, Achal and Isika. Leo turned Lion. Rajkumar Ringania ji had joined the Lions Club of Guwahati City in the year 2004. In the journey of Lionism, he has held several positions at importance in both the district as well as club level. Rajkumar Ringania ji had served as the club secretary for the year 2005-06, then become the president in the year 2008-09, the zone chairman in 9-10, regional chairman in 10-11, then inter-regional coordinator in 11-12, and he has also been the district PRO in 2012-13 and the deputy cabinet secretary in 2013-14. It is praiseworthy to mention here that Lion Rajkumar Ringania ji is an RLLI graduate from Kathmandu and ALLI graduate from Colombo. He had also been the chairman of the Lions District Conference in 2011-12. Sir is a certified guiding lion also. Lion Rajkumar Ringania ji has been the recipient for several awards, starting from the Lion of the Year for the year 2004-05, Lion of the District in 11-12, Best Club Secretary in 2005-06, the Best PRO of the District in 2012-13. He has been awarded with the prestigious International President's Appreciation Certificate for 23 times. Not only these, he was also awarded with the third highest award by Lions Club International President's Leadership Medal in Lionism year 2018-19, and also the second highest award by Lions Club International President's Medal in 2017-18. Not only in Lionism, Lion Rajkumar Ringania ji is an active member of several other organizations as well. From being the Cultural Secretary of Assam Sahitya Sabha Conference Samanvay in Barpeta Road, Joint Secretary of Kamrup Chamber of Commerce, past President Marwadi Sammelan, Guwahati branch, to being an executive member of GLP Social Circle of Guwahati, Lion Rajkumar Ringania is truly a dynamic person. He has also served as an executive member for Sri Marwadi Databya Ausadhalay and Sri Guwahati Gosala, Guwahati as well. He has been working to promote the Rajasthan folk songs and culture under the banner of Fagania as a chairman since 2002, which is a signature event of the Guwahati city in Holi. He has also served as the secretary of the Agarwal Sabha in 2004. Rajkumar Ringania ji has been honored as Rajasthan Gaurav Samman as well. With this, sir, we can understand your dedication towards the betterment of the society and how much you are dedicated. And I can understand by reading your profile, sir, that what more we can learn from you and be a good person in coming days, sir. So with this, I welcome you to this program, sir, and request you to motivate the members with your words of wisdom. Sir, please.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू धीरज जी. थैंक यू वेरी मच. अपनों के बीच जब अपने आते हैं, इंट्रोडक्शन आपने जिस अंदाज में दिया, मैं तो आपका अपना हूं, अपनों के बीच आया हूं. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू वेरी मच. द ग्रेट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ दिस ग्रेट क्लब, Lion Kamal More, and definitely our respected Saraj Ji Agarwala. I will say the chief guest of this evening because he deserves more, yeah. Definitely, he is the chief guest of the day, yeah. Not our Sarad Bhaiya. And just installed President, Leo President, Tanuj Jala. and his team, yeah, and definitely the today's installation officer and the district president, Leo district, Leo Rishabh Bajaj, and the respected all Leos and line friends and all the dignitaries present in this virtual meeting of the great installation ceremony of the great club that I will say the Leo Club of Guwahati Elite. Friends, today is a big day for me and you all because that you already be the part of the world's largest service organization. And friends, leadership quality already you all have because being the CA students, you know the leadership and how to lead and now you with a part of the service organization, definitely under the great leadership and the able leadership, with support of your parents club and the leaders like Dheeraj, that Ayush, that Kamalji, and all friends you have, definitely you will reach the greater height and will do the service that definitely will the need of the society. And as Lions, definitely that our just I will say our leader, yeah, Sharad Bhaiya has already mentioned about the organizations and regarding our contributions and regarding the activities what we are doing. That absolutely that Lions Club of Eye Hospital, Lions Eye Hospital of Jorhat is really a temple of service. And definitely Karnani ji and the leaders that I already talked that they are doing wonderful. Today I got the chance and opportunity to meet the leaders like Sharad Bhaiya. That is all because that today I am sitting in front of you, and definitely I am thankful to each and every Lions Club of Guwahati Elite for the fantastic support, for the wonderful support to me. This year that when I met with the leaders and I got the opportunity to meet with the leaders, मैं बताना चाहता हूं दोस्तों, ये जो 7 दिनों के अंदर एक क्लब खोली जाती है, ये इतना बड़ा सम्मान, इतना बड़ा आज इन्होंने मेरी ऑफिस के अंदर हम लोगों ने बैठ के विद इन ए डे लीडर्स आप लोगों ने जो एक मुझे सम्मान दिया और आप लोगों ने मेरे कहने के ऊपर में इतना विश्वास जताया, एंड आई एम थैंकफुल टू ईच एंड एवरी लियोस they just installed and just started, yeah, just I will say just installed, because देखिए इतनी जल्दी इस तरह का सपोर्ट पहली मुलाकात में आप लोगों के साथ आपने जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट को सपोर्ट, और मुझे मालूम है दैट यू हैव ऑल द कैपेसिटी as being the wonderful persons, being the that is the leader, as you all the chartered accountant, you know your duties, you know your how to run, how to do the project, because I have seen your project with Friends Club. I have seen your project in Jail Road during the pandemic. That such a beautiful thoughts, such a wonderful thoughts. And regarding leadership, definitely आने वाले दिनों के अंदर में अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट के अंदर में मुझे बहुत सी उम्मीदें हैं इस क्लब से. नॉट ओनली एज दैट कि आप लोगों ने मैंने कहा और एक क्लब आपने सपोर्ट किया, लेकिन मुझे आपके अंदर जो कैपेसिटीज, आपके अंदर जो क्वालिटी मुझे दिखाई दे रही है, एक्चुअली एज लायंस हमें इसी तरह के कार्य करने के लिए इसी तरह के लीडर्स की आवश्यकता है. आने वाले दिनों के अंदर में whether 2020-21, definitely I am the governor of it. You have given me the chance, you have given me the opportunity to serve. That our motto that we serve, definitely. But also in time to comes, definitely from your club, I want to see. जब मैं चाहता हूँ आपकी क्लब से लीडरशिप की टॉप टेबल के ऊपर में कोई लीडर आगे आए और समय के साथ दिनों के अंदर में आपकी क्लब के द्वारा लीडरशिप के अंदर में हम नए कायाम हासिल करेंगे और सर्विस के क्षेत्र के अंदर में, लायंस के क्षेत्र में अपनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट का पूरे मल्टीपल ही नहीं इंटरनेशनल वर्ल्ड के अंदर में अपनी छाप छोड़ते हुए जाएंगे. जिस तरह की आज हमारी हमारी क्लब, हमारा गौरव, हमारा इतिहास रहा है डिस्ट्रिक्ट 322D बिफोर बाइफर्केशन। भैया यहाँ पर है, शरद भैया हमारे साथ, वो जानते हैं जिस तरह हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट का पूरे मल्टीपल में, या हमारा जिस तरह से हमने लीडरशिप हमारे यहाँ से गई है, हमारे लीडर्स, हमारे पास डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर्स, they all are the galaxy of our, they all are the galaxy leaders। एंड हमारी मल्टीपल के अंदर आज हमारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट की हमेशा से एक पहचान रही है। और आप लोगों को मैं भैया बताना चाहता हूँ शरद भैया आपकी उपस्थिति में कि हम लोगों ने इस वर्ष 13 लायंस क्लब न्यू क्लब्स चार्टर कर चुके हैं। 13 new clubs we have already chartered and 10 Leo club already chartered, and definitely in time to come definitely 4 or 5 Lions club more will come and 2 or 3 4 clubs definitely। जिस तरह लियो का 15 क्लब लेके ऋषभ बजाज जिस दिन प्रेसिडेंट बना था 15 क्लब्स से उन्होंने स्टार्ट हुआ था, तो मुझे लग रहा है इस बार डबल हो जाएंगे, 100% ग्रोथ। That is all because of you, because all the you leaders are the supporting hand of District 322G. So once again, I congratulate each and every members of Leo Club of Guwahati Elite, and definitely this club will reach greater and greater heights because you all are, as I said, you all are leaders. So in time to come, definitely we will do some wonderful projects, and always, as I say, that in 24/7, I am available for each and every Leos and for Lions. And this year also, that I have given one slogan to the Leos, that Lions with Leos. Because as I am a Leo turned Lion, that already Leo has some special place in my heart here. And this year, district president has proved his ability, his leadership, that all we are ahead in our multiple year. Thank you very much, friends. We will definitely meet soon. Thank you very much, Guwahati Elite, Leo Club of Guwahati, and Sarath Bhaiya. Thank you very much for coming today. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhaiya, for the wonderful speech, and really your speech always motivates us, and we will definitely do work for the betterment of the society, for the betterment of Leo movement, Lions movement.
Yes.
So, friends, with this we come. So with this, we come to the end of this installation ceremony. But before going ahead, I'd like to request our Lions Club Secretary, Lion Ayush Saraf, to please come forward and offer his vote of thanks.
Thank you, Dheeraj Bhaiya. What a wonderful day it was. 8 months have passed by since we were installed, and today we are here installing another club. ये सब राजू भैया आपके आशीर्वाद से ही हुआ है, उसके बिना हो नहीं पाता। क्या होता है ना, हम जब कोई शुरुआत करते हैं तो हम हमेशा सोचते हैं कि कुछ बड़ा किया जाए, मगर सोच को चरितार्थ होने में वक्त लग जाता है। भैया आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
मैं बोल रहा हूँ सर, मैं बीच में आपको इंटरप्ट कर रहा हूँ सर, ये दिल मांगे मोर दिल मांगे मोर वाला खेल है।
मतलब जब हम कुछ सोचते हैं हम नहीं समझते कि इतने जल्दी हमारी सोच चरितार्थ हो जाएगी, मगर अगर 8 महीने में हमने एक नए क्लब को जन्म दे दिया तो मुझे भी अब एक्सपेक्टेशंस बढ़ गई है हमारे क्लब से। और हमारे क्लब प्रेसिडेंट है ही यहाँ पर परफॉर्म करने के लिए, हम उनको सपोर्ट करने के लिए हमेशा रहेंगे। और राजू भैया जब तक है तब तक हमें कोई चिंता नहीं है।
नहीं, already I am with you. Always I am with you.
Thank you, sir. With this, I would like to thank our club district governor, Lion Rajkumar Ji Ringania, our club president, Lion CA Kamal Moore, Lions Club advisor for the Leo Club Elite, CA Dheeraj Jain Ji, our guest of honor, CA Sharad Ji Agarwal, our all-time favorite, Leo District President Rishabh Bajaj, our newly installed President Leo Tanuj Jalan, 2BCA, the day was very wonderful, and I hope this new Leo Club does wonders and crosses the Lions Club elite. We always wish that. Thank you everyone for the wonderful day. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, friends. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you
Thank
all.
you, Dheeraj.
Thank
Hope
you.
we will meet soon, yeah. Ayush?
Sure,
Thank
sir.
you,
Thank you.
everybody.
Meet again. Definitely we'll meet.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Have a
Thank you,
good day.
Kamal. Thank you, dear. Thank you,
Thank
friends.
you.
Thank you, Sarath Bhaiya. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.